Okay, so I treated myself. Got myself a I Am candle. They are handmade by this beautiful black woman named Brenda, the owner of Sensory Spa in Dallas. Yeah, I waited up all night to try and be the first one to order. They are coconut soy candles, so they're natural. Look how cute the packaging is. And on each candle, there's a QR code that is linked to a playlist that gives you all the vibes. Like, Brenda, you really outdid yourself. She hand makes the vessels out of concrete, so you can use them for plant pots and other things once they're done. They look and smell amazing. You guys have to go and check her out. Thank you, Brenda. I love them.